Hi everyone, want to unlock the full power of Google's generative AI? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to master prompt engineering using the Google AI Studio step by step. Let's get started. First, go to Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. Click plus new prompt to get started with a fresh prompt template. Then here you need to understand the prompt structure. Prompts with an AI Studio follow a task-oriented design that include instructions, input examples, and output formats, like this example prompt here. And also, you can use variables for reusability. Click on the Variables tab and define inputs like the article text and more. This makes your prompt reusable for different datasets or queries. Then here you can test and refine. Click Run to generate output. Tweak your wording, adjust the tone, or add context for improved result. And here you can also use the playground to experiment with tone, formatting, and content structure. And once satisfied here, you can click Save Prompt. You can now export it and integrate with tools like Vertex AI, Firebase, or even your web app. With just a few tweaks, you can turn basic inputs into powerful, production-ready prompts. That's the magic of Google AI Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.